Hello everybody, welcome to another 100% win rate algo plus some manual trading, coffee, talking, chatting with traders, and having some fun. So wherever you are or wherever you might be, wishing you great almost time to the weekend and wish you a great profit. So just to tell everybody that we are live. Hello Razor, what's up man? That they can jump into the stream. Freaking live, nice. Share. Nice. So here and nice. So again, hello everybody, and hope you're doing great. Didn't had live trading. We were busy. Had some small bugs to fix about rounding numbers for profit targets, and on time somehow fucked the code and it didn't want to put the first profit target, so I needed to fix that, and now we're all done and trading live. And as you can see, this is this week on your screen from the bot. Could be better, but this is small account again, and totally from the first this month, it's like a decent size. So from first this month, as you can see, it's all blue, no red position at all. Highest risk was maybe 10% on whole positions, let's say maybe 15, but not one position, but whole account. And made almost $300, so almost 30% in 27 days. So too much. I'm trying to get like 20% a month, should be enough constantly to get. And again, when you get only blue positions and no losses, that's like really good. And you can see it's a mixture of stuff, so it's not just crypto or just forex or just indices. We have everything. We try even the stocks to trade, but hey, didn't have too much time to try everything, so this is it for now. Misha, what's up? I guess you're driving, so look at the road. Please don't do some crazy stuff. And this is fine. Forte, I can see you on the Discord, but I cannot hear you. Maybe you're still drinking the coffee. It's fine. No worry about that. So this and that and that and this.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. Nice.
Ah, good. Good morning. I pressed the wrong button. I was used to the space bar I use in Zoom, but for Discord, it's actually the backslash key.
Oh, nice. Whatever. It's good. We can hear you now. Fine. And how are you, man? I didn't like talk to you like 2-3 days.
Yeah,
You
I was busy, very busy since Saturday, fixing things, and now it's back to normal halfway.
nice. Really glad for you. Uh, too loud for now, so I will just slightly.
I'm too
No,
loud.
I'm going to fix that in Discord. That's There's no worry about. It's not too loud, but you're louder than my voice, so it's like uh, too big of difference. But no, I
Okay,
fixed.
yeah, yours is very low compared. When I watch any other YouTube video, it blows my speakers usually after I watch a video of yours. So I don't
Well,
know, maybe you are a bit low.
yeah, I am certainly, but my NVIDIA is working and I have too much noise in the background, so like it's decent how the um, how it
How the
goes.
filtering works.
Arctics, yeah, it's fine because you cannot hear anything else behind me, so it's fine, it's decent. I'm not pro YouTuber, and to be honest, I don't care. This is
Yeah, I
just
mean,
having
if you
fun.
can tune it, it's fine.
Yeah. Didn't even ask you. Did you start live trading the bot on
I
some
did
account?
on GBP JPY on Sunday or like for this week basically.
Nice. Drip started live account and simple
Like a
features. Yeah, yeah.
like live demo or real
No,
life?
live account, like a real live account, and
Ah, okay.
simple features also. And they already made money, and I made like I don't know 300 $400 this last 2 weeks. So
But this is then an extra version, or does this one work on live?
no, this doesn't work live. You already know. You only need to send me the account number and like
Oh, I
give
thought you
give me
have
a
them
few.
all.
No,
Okay, I thought.
I have the old ones, but if you want to do this on Evolve or IC Markets, just like give me the
Okay,
idea where you want to use it. Because it's a
okay.
different kind of lockdown now, because I'm using the same version to send to everybody, but it's going to work only on specific account number on the
Okay,
specific time frame.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
So
But yeah.
I had to lock even a time frame. So our versions are to 2050. So like 30 years from now we can use it, but we had to lock the some date. So like that's 30 years of
Yeah, to have some deadline in course for other users, you set it obviously
yeah,
to
yeah.
a
Yeah.
closer deadline.
Yeah. So for us it's
Yeah,
200 2050, and it's
okay.
like, but I'm if we're still using this, I'm going to like make a new license, but we had to
Yeah.
choose some and it doesn't won't allow us more than 30 years. I don't know why. So
It
30
might be just some limitation in Windows also. Maybe that's the
no
new Y2K bug then.
possible. So like that's like 30 years for now. Like I think
Yeah,
it's enough.
that's plenty. Who knows if MT5
Five, yeah,
or
yeah.
so is still around by then. I
It's
mean,
going to be
if you
like
yeah
no exchange like stopped with MT5. It's just they just continuing. Even crypto exchanges start to implement the MT4, MT5. So it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So
yeah okay, that's then the only still around. So they're the oldest.
yeah. Uh, Razer, did you start trading random bot live or demo at least? Vladimir, hello man. We need to have lunch soon. Thinking, thinking maybe beginning of the week, possibly. Who? Current viewers. So nice. Hmm. There's no Jeeves. Jeeves sent me some pictures, and
Yo, can you hear me?
yeah, and I can now we can hear you. Jeeves sent me some picture, and I have the same one, similar picture on the another pair. The price went to the random line, and it reacted, but it went perfectly to the line and it didn't activate the position. And I was like, God
On
damn it.
Evolve, or where
Yeah,
was
yeah,
that?
on Evolve. It doesn't matter. It's same price action, but I didn't have that sell for my buy. Like for every position you have to have a other side of the position. So you don't. When you see that, that's one of the proof that you are not trading against the exchange, but you're
Yeah, yeah.
really trading against some people, and you want trading against people, not against the exchange, because well, exchange can fix the prices as they want to do it. So like, it's not bad.
And IC markets, you trade against others,
People
right?
also, yeah, still
Yeah,
people. There's a really good volume also there. So,
yeah.
did you start trading or still testing?
No, I'm not testing anymore because GB said that I'm an investor and I have to wait. And I didn't use the old settings yet. I didn't try them yet because of the new bot. I don't know. I didn't talk to you yet to ask what changed. So I don't know if those settings you sent me last week before the bug, if I can use those on demo. I can use that on demo.
Just a second. Yeah, you can use it. It's going to work, but I want perfect settings. So I'm
Yeah,
testing.
you just want me to run the settings
I
again
am
to see if it's got the same.
I am no, I'm going to give you a new one that I know that works. Point is that it had some bug about rounding the numbers in profit targets. That's nothing too big, but it was there. We fixed it, and sometimes we didn't want to put the first profit target. I don't know why, but we fixed that also. So now I send you the settings that I know really works, and I tested 3 years. When something works for 3 years perfectly, like I
Mm.
don't see any reason that should stop. And again, not 3 years normal price action. We had normal price action, we had a market crash, coronavirus, we had
Yeah.
Brexit. So like we had the news, really big news. So even if we made money on those news and normal price action, like we are ready for
Yeah,
whatever.
sure.
Like why
Yeah.
not?
So is enough then to start 2018, nothing older than that.
Yeah, because 2019, if you remember, 40 you were here, like even from institutional level, we had perfect price action. There wasn't like, okay, we had news days, but that's one pair and something. But you can just click the bot, whatever bot you had, and if that was decent, it would work. But on March this year, on the market crash, the same settings wouldn't work. But we had normal price action, we had Brexit, news about Brexit, and we had like everything in the last 3 years. So every market situation we already had, and if you find decent settings for 3 years in a row, you should be fine. Like there's nothing crazy to be. Only need to be concerned how many pairs are set for one ticker. So if it's just GBP, don't go more than 1/3 of your account. So if it's USD, don't go more than 1/3 of your account. And let's say euro, don't go more than 1/3 of your account. So that way, if some shit the bed, it's only 1/3 of your account that's going to be exposed, but you're still going to make money till this fix itself, and you're still going to make money always on another two, not another two pairs, but you're going to have 6, 7, 8 pairs that constantly still makes money if something happens with the market. Because I'm predicting, I want to be prepared for every market situation. So even if something shit bad, we are not going to get exposed at more than 1/3 of our account, and that's manageable.
And
That's fine.
how do you measure the exposure with the maximum allowed lot size, or how do you?
Lot size, and I'm looking on drawdown. If in the last 3 years
Okay,
if I didn't get a more equity drawdown, not max drawdown, but max equity drawdown. So that in one moment was the biggest drawdown on your account on that position. If it's not more than 10%, you're fine. 12%, let's say.
Yeah.
And if you have three pairs, the shit the bed, that would be like 33%. That's 1/3 of your account in the drawdown, but you're still fine because you have like 8 pairs, 9 pairs trading something different, and you're still constantly making money till you wait this to be fixed. So that's it.
I try to be like around 5% drawdown, not always possible, but 5 to 7, and absolute maximum would be 15, but only if the gains were really good, then it's kind of higher risk, but risk reward is then good.
Yeah, if you know it's 15, let's say for example it's 15, if you do 7 pairs, you should be fine whatever happens. Yeah, you agree with me?
If they are mixed, yeah, they are not all based on the same base currency.
Yeah. But even if it's based, let's say 7 times 15, so 30, 60, 95, 105. Okay,
105.
So 6 pairs, theoretically, even if it's one thing, you still should be fine. But better to be, as I said, in the thirds. So if you have 12 pairs, you can have 4 pairs in a one ticker. So let's say GBP USD, GBP Euro, GBP Aussie dollar, and I don't know, GBP Japanese. Then you have Euro USD, Euro GBP, that's already you had. You have Euro CHF, and you have Euro, I don't know, maybe Japanese. So you have 4 exposures, and if you have that kind of, and then you do same for USD, sorry. If you do that same for a USD, then if something happen with a big pair, you're going to expose your 1/3 of your account, not whole account. That's manageable without any problems. If you already knew that the max drawdown is a 10% or even 15, so you should be fine.
And I have a question about the drawdown, because sometimes I found settings. I also tested mostly 2 years, so sometimes 3 years, and then it would be like a very nice and smooth ride up, like a vertical line, and then there would be 1 or 2 times where it has a drawdown. It could be 2 weeks, sometimes a month or 2 months, but then the drawdown would be 15% or something. But if you would put in a stop loss and then take the 15 or the 10%, then it would take almost like half a year or more to gain it back. But if you just leave it open, I mean, you will be in a drawdown for a longer time. It can happen. I'm not saying it's always, but I've seen it a couple of times. So how do you want to?
You already should think on that. So if you have 3 years, every market situation as we have now, normal price action, like Corona and like news and sideways. If you know your max drawdown is $500, the moment you have $500 drawdown, double the position, and you'll get fixed. Double that position, and you should be fine. Just that position and leave it. The moment you get out, if you're still in the drawdown on the second one, double that position, and you're going to get out in the profit.
Yeah, because I saw one forex, but I don't remember which one it was.
It was Euro USD.
No, it went down 7% in like a day or in 2 days, and then it took, for example, a week to get back up.
It was probably Euro USD, and I saw that it was the news, and it didn't retrace properly. I agree with you. The moment you know in the last 3 years, that's a decent size for 15-minute chart. That's too many candles. That's really good edge. If you know that max is going to be, let's say, 7%, on the 7% drawdown, double the position, and it's going to be fixed much sooner. It's going to be.
How do you want to? I don't understand. How do you double the position? Then you just wait for
market order the same direction you have. If you have long, let's say you have 0.15, market long 0.15.
So for example, it scaled in and then it goes down 4% more, and then somewhere I choose a point. I say, okay, I'm
You
gonna double
already
it here.
have already random lines on your chart.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it
yeah.
should be on some decent
Right. Yeah. And then I just
wider.
manually
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
hey,
yeah.
it went way more against me, so I'm just gonna add some more here, and then I can get out. Okay. Yeah.
One time, not adding, just one
Hmm.
time, and on the same again. If you knew your drawdown is like 10%, on the 9%, you can double the position and you can eat that 1% more or something like that, and
Hmm.
it's
Yeah.
going to get back. And because I tested like this, and
Yeah.
it worked perfectly.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because
uh,
Jeebus told me then you just double it, but I didn't understand how. But now I understand. Yeah. Or
and
when.
the one thing also, if I already did that in settings, sometimes yeah, I'm going to get different results. But because I
Mm.
know these settings, as you said, it was perfect, but one time it happened like that in 3 years,
Mm. Yeah.
then
Yeah.
mean leave the settings same, but that one time just re-add on the position, and it's going to fix much faster, because it's going to your profit target is going to be 55, 53% closer to your new average, or no, closer to the price that is now, than
Right.
if
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
just leave. It's fine
Yeah.
like that.
So
I
then,
would.
because I also saw sometimes that it was in a 2 month or a 4 month drawdown, but if you double up, then you will always increase that time. You don't know how much, but so yeah. You know what I
You,
mean? Sometimes the time is longer than a week. Sometimes a week. Sometimes it was a month.
yeah,
So I
and it's just staying sideways. It doesn't retrace. I get what you mean.
yeah yeah
But if you did double it, it would be much closer, much sooner
yeah. It would be
getting
out
out.
sooner. Yeah
And that is why I said try your settings, and your pairs choose to be in the 1/3 or 1/4. If you can do
yeah
one
yeah.
fourth, even better. Why not?
I
So
understand that. Yeah yeah
that is why I testing even crypto. I test SPX 500 today, and they all freaking made money. And
yeah
when I do it like that, and if I even divide it in fourths, it's going to nail. But whatever it happens, okay, one time in a 3 years I have to click one pair, one time in a 3 years maybe another one, but like
yeah
it's not on the every pair the same, like the same problem. It's like on a few. It's not like I found Euro USD. Send you the settings. It was draw
mm,
down 330 bucks to make 2,100. That's crazy.
yeah. That's good.
That's
Yeah
insane. Like that's not drawdown. Like
yeah.
that's fine.
And and
Well,
uh,
what's the
and
euro doing? Pumping.
don't get mad, but for fun, I just ran the one daily optimization with random bot to see what. But then it's basically it's also 100%, but it's basically a waste of your time because
Yeah.
it's taking not that many trades.
Look, I'm going to test 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. My programmer here, you already know who he is.
Hmm.
He uses 1 minute because we need to test just as he's testing just execution. Is it doing what
Yeah,
it should does? He doesn't care about profitability. His job is to make it right, work what it should do. And
yeah,
his 1 minute made 300 bucks in a month and a half. So
yeah.
fucking 1 minute is working on the random setting he had in his head.
Mm,
So even if he can make this right and he doesn't understand trading, fuck it, it's
yeah.
going to be good. So, but
No,
I
it
didn't
is good.
have time.
It
I
works on any
didn't,
time frame. Yeah.
yeah, but I didn't have time to find settings for everything. But hey,
Hmm.
as you
Yeah.
already got like 8 pair settings, it's already printing money. I'm using this on live account, and as I said, I'm making money every day, like easily, not
Sure.
even
Yeah. Yeah.
sweating. So whatever.
Yeah. And I was testing with that. I put $100 on, and then in the first few optimizations wasn't that expensive, and now when I run an optimization, it's almost $4 or $5 an hour for the meta quotes.
Don't do matter. Why the fuck? Like,
Yeah.
you're
Well, I did
paying
that twice,
something
but
that is free.
yeah, I'm not doing that anymore now. But when I do a
It's
test now, it's like 16 or 30 hours, yeah, because my machine is too slow.
Just
uh
buy some cheap machine.
Yeah, I
like
gotta get a Xeon.
$200 laptop is going to like. But we are making program now in the office. Not me, but you know who.
Mhm.
He's making automatic testing, retesting the test in the new time frame. So new time frame, I'm thinking like every week it retested everything just to see how last week would perform and is it still
Yeah.
good. It's
Okay.
going to be automatically. I don't have to work on anything. Just click the freaking button and it's going to tell me like
Yeah.
in the spreadsheet is going to show me
But that
everything.
way you can maybe see a change coming, in the
Yeah, and
volatility.
then I can like, but again, as I said, if this works 3 years on the 15-minute chart, that's a real good edge because that's too
Yeah.
many candles, that's too many market market stuff, too many news, too many sideways, or too many like we had a market crash after the. I don't see new market crash. Maybe one more like spike, but after that we are good for another 4 to I don't know 10 years for a next market crash. So
Hmm.
maybe we go up or down, but that's not crash. Crash is like 30% in 2 days.
Yeah.
That's a
And
market crash.
going up or down doesn't matter too much because
Yeah, yeah.
forex mostly doesn't. It will be more the indices or crypto that will have a crash. Then that could get you in a drawdown. I mean, and the forex not so much, right?
Yeah,
Because forex is never
just
gonna dump
second.
20% and then stay there.
Just a sorry. Yeah. If it's dump 20%, some countries in like we are in the third world war country, world
Yeah.
war, and like we should think about the food and about different stuff, not about the money. Vlado,
Yeah.
did you get the new profit target on Euro USD? Because I don't have that trade. I stuck in trade like 2 days ago. I'm out now, but there's no random lines for now that are good for uh, let me change the MT5, which is MT5. Here it is. So as you can see, I don't have random lines for now because price is in the middle and it's waiting for the direction.
Yeah.
Exit everything. Fuck, you made money. Nice. I'm glad for you. Yeah, and I will try to do the best I can. And as I said, I'm going to test other time frames, but I need 15 pairs on the 15 minutes that I know that works really good in 3 years. After that, I'm going to test, as I said, that there's no like, I'm not doing any more bots. This is like, this is it. This is my legacy, and it's going to be perfect. And I'm going to do my best, but. I'm short with the time. I have only 24 hours a day to work on this. So it's really short.
Well, it's a good thing because you thought it was gonna be Friday today, but it's tomorrow, so you get an extra
Yes.
day.
So you already know how fucked I am. Like I
Yeah,
already
I know.
thought it.
Yeah. I was thinking about myself when I was playing poker, and then my friends would say, "Hey, let's drink beer tonight." I said, "Well, it's Wednesday." No, it's oh, okay. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, then you're just so lost in time.
Yeah, and as I said, I need to finish this. Like not need, but like I cannot see me doing better than this. Like I don't. How can you ask more than 100%? Jesus, that's like,
Well, there was one dude, remember?
yeah,
he said only 100%, right?
yeah, and fuck. Nice, decent. See, Vlado, I got out in the Euro USD today from this position, made around $12. Nothing too shabby. But I'm going to double now this account, and again, guys, and 40, this is the first bot that I leave through all the night. You remember my mark? After that, like I turned off every bot before now. But with this bot and what I saw in the settings and backtesting, this is the bot that I leave. Just I go to gym, I do other stuff. This is the first time in the last 3 years I don't have to worry. Ooh, what's going to happen? Maybe news. I don't give a fuck. I know it's going to win.
There were, yeah, because you just mentioned news, there were like 20 minutes ago, whatever US news, they weren't too good. That's why the euro goes up.
Yeah, but and again, news, no news, bot made money. News, no news. I really don't care. As I said, I didn't go to gym 3 years properly. I'm going to gym. I go to sleep. Like, okay, I still waste my time. It's not wasting on testing, but other than that, I didn't even trade too much. Like, I am going to trade because I love it, but first I need to finish this. After I finish this, I'm going to like trade 2 hours a day just to stay in the game and don't lose
Yeah.
my edge. But other than that, yeah.
What do you wanted to say about the time frames? Because you said we're gonna test. Like, I want to have 14 pairs or something, or
I'm going to
15.
test. Going to test every time frame, even 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, to 10, 12. If I see something better than we already have, everybody's going to get it. Like, why not? Fuck, let's just make money. Then you can decide. Okay, I don't want to use 15. I'm going to use 4. This dude is going to use 5 because he likes that better. Why not? Like, I don't care. Like, just make money. That's the only important. Like, what you're going to use? Fuck it. Just.
That's a good plan. Yeah.
But as I said, I know from my experience because I traded this. This is my edge. I know it's working perfectly on 15 minutes. I know it's going to work even on 5 because I accidentally one time changed between Brian Scalper and Random Bot, and it made money. And I was like, but this is not matching the last results. And then I saw, fuck, it's 5 minutes, and it still made money. It shouldn't, theoretically, it shouldn't make money, but somehow it did. So I figure out it's going to work on any time frame. Just need to find the settings for that, and that's it.
Yeah, the most profitable settings. Yeah, because it's winning. I did it too. I tried the 3 minute, 12 minute, 1 hour, 30 minutes. It's always making money. So for me, it was very hard to what's the best thing to do. But then if your feeling is the 15, then that's the best thing to do. To do all the 15s and then do all the other time frames later.
Look, when I was in Swiss, when I was learning about this shit, because first I wanted to check is this Twitch dude for real or just something he's blabbering about. It's not his finding. That's whole thing in quant firms, and they're using that from 2017. So it's normal for everybody there. But I saw when they trying to teach me how to find the proper swings, we did it on 15 minutes, and that just stick to my brain. It works on 4 hours because on Bitcoin I did pulls in 4 hours, and it's perfect for a long-term direction. It's perfect, but for us to be scalping, we need to do smaller time frames because daily on Forex it sucks. Like, you're going to wait 3 months to get in the position. That doesn't make sense for us. So
and even then, there could be a long time with drawdowns while you're waiting for it to move.
Hey, James, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, I had a 6-month drawdown on the daily optimization I did.
Yep.
Can you imagine? That's a
Why
waste of
bother?
time, huh?
There's plenty of other time frames.
Sure, yeah.
James, I send you another picture. I'm going to show you on the screen. Euro, look this. Look, can be better than this. Like, you can't be there. And I didn't get in the position, motherfucker.
Oh, you and me both, mate. You and me both.
But you had a different pair.
Yeah. Still GBP aligned, right? So, yeah.
But hey, the random lines doesn't work. Like, it's just random, It shouldn't do like this.
I bet IC Markets would have picked that too. In fact, I might check IC markets to see what it did.
I guess it took it. Yeah.
Fucking insane.
Where'd you go? So many goddamn windows open from testing.
Welcome to my world. Welcome to Matrix. Jesus Christ.
Do you know what day it is, Jeebus?
It's not the weekend because the Forex bars are moving.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the only way I can work it out.
Razor sent me a message yesterday. He said, "Can we tomorrow do Zoom?" And I was like, "Fuck! Like it's Friday and we didn't do YouTube, so we need to do YouTube." And he was like, "Yeah, but tomorrow is like Thursday." And I was like, "What? Let me check here."
What?
Yeah, like
Are you sure?
and I was
Sure,
like,
sure.
and in my head was, where went the Wednesday or I don't know, maybe Monday? Something is
time
missing. Something is missing in my head. Like one day I just like, what the fuck?
And Jeeves, then I told Sasha, I said, well, if you think it's Friday today and it's Friday again tomorrow, then you have 2 Fridays. You have an extra day.
Yeah, I have one
Sure,
free
it
day.
works that way.
Extra day to work.
Ah, fuck, amazing. As you can see, Jibs, I'm happy, and I'm happy because you already had a pretty good bot. Like I sold that bot, and it made me retire the institutional level. And I didn't know. I had in my head like there's like got to have a bear bots in the world, but to do 100% and in 3 years to do 100% in the market crash, in the sideways, in the news, in the Brexit, and it still do 100%. Fuck, like there's I don't know, like that's, and I'm testing every day now, and even SPX 500 made money. Fucking insane. That doesn't make sense. But like the head of programmers, like I told like everybody, like he's using on 1 minute because he's just looking for execution and bugs. And he made money on 1 minute, but it made money on his random settings from his head. He even doesn't understand what it does, doesn't matter. Understand what it does, but like how it trades and why there doesn't matter. But it made money, like fuck. Like I'm going to make money, just let me do. Like please just click the button.
And just press the start button and then walk away.
It's unbelievable. And how many times he made me do wrong? That's insanity. Like I think I'm going to buy one more PC because I'm going to smash this one because it getting on my nerves sometimes because okay, now this is not going to bounce and it take profit. Then it goes in the position again and I was like, ah fuck, this time it's not going to bounce and it goes to profit target. Same as your GBP Aussie dollar. Like it's like 9 times in a row. Like fuck you. Like are you like nuts? That doesn't make sense to do 9 trades in a row, the same freaking trade, and it's just printing money. Like what the fuck is happening here? Insanity.
Yep, I've seen that happen a few times now. What is yesterday on GBP AUD? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the exact same trade.
One, as you can see, we have a leg. Okay, so let's see. 1 and 2. That's 2 candles in a row. That's already 2 trades.
Nice.
3, 4, 5, and you had shorts here, and I had long. We had different settings, and we did make money. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, because I'm using different settings from him. I use 0.3 to 3 lots, and I had the different settings. He's using his, and his settings are really good. But I tried something else, and this is the proof. Like we can do different style and still make stupid money, and that's like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 winning trades in a row. In the freaking in the same, and after the second, in my head I was like, nah, not this time, nah, not this time, nah, yeah, nah, like fuck you. And after that,
That's why we suck at trading as humans, because we always let our bias go, oh, it can't possibly hold this time. Can't possibly hold this time. I'll bounce.
and then
I'll
the
bounce.
last time, look, and then the last time it pumped more and it got into the short and took profit target, and I was like, fuck you, like I'm going to I'm going inside the house, like call my son, you want to play StarCraft or something, like I don't want even to trade today, like fuck the boss, fuck everybody, like what the fuck, like that doesn't make sense. Even I, in my head, it's going down, not up, to take the short and to make money. Fuck you, like that's not possible. No. Like every time after the second, I was like, okay, we go down, we go down, we go down, we go down, and no, we go up and take the freaking short. Like, okay. And I asked my kid,
Thanks,
come on,
thanks,
let's
stupid butt.
stupid what? Like, let's play StarCraft. Like, I don't care. I'm not needed on the PC anymore. Like, I found somebody else to work for me. Like, and he's even better than me. Fuck, like, doesn't matter. Like, let's play something.
Yep, that's pretty awesome.
Jesus Christ.
Euro USD
I do the same
properly.
thing too. I watch it do something, and I'm like, oh, this isn't gonna work. This'll dump from here, and then it's like, oh, nope. Takes profit. I'm like, all right, sweet. Gets into the same position again, and I'm like, not this time. No way. Oh, wait. All right. Yep. Never mind. Stupid bot.
And again, me and my stupidity, even on this account, this new account, all losses are my stupidity. Everything
Manual
bought
trades.
trade, yep. Everything bought trade, it made freaking money. And it's really starting to be annoying because I made the freaking bot. It didn't made me. So like it shouldn't be like that. Like I'm not stupid, and so I just don't trade anymore. It doesn't make sense to me to make a
It's
mistake and
safer
lose
not
money.
to trade.
Yeah.
I mean, now you're actually retired.
Yeah, fuck, finally. No, I first want to find settings for everybody to make everybody some good cash. After that, I'm going to just enjoy. I don't care. Like, it's time to like take a like step down and enjoy. Finally, I started with the gym like after freaking 3 years. That's insane. Like there's new kids in the gym. Like I just like I'm from Mars. I'm not from this town. What the fuck happening here? Like something is off. Like okay, there's people that I know that trade. They did the gym even when I when I was going there. But now, like there's so many kids around, and there's some new modern Justin Bieber like gym style, and I think in my head, if I slap you, I'm going to like take your teeth out, teeth out. Like what the fuck is wrong with the new kids? Like, did you see any movie? Like you should be bit bigger. And there's even a Goku in Super Saiyan form in the wall, and it's really like great picture with every muscle, and it says what it is. But like then I look around and like there's the kids like with 70 kilograms, and I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Do you eat something? Do you need money for I don't know,
For
some
food.
meat? Like that doesn't make sense.
Nothing
Dix?
wrong with being 70 kilograms, okay? Fine.
Okay, if I'm
Depends on your height.
yeah, that I want to say. Like if I'm really small, like I'm 110 almost. And okay, I have a belly now, but in my arms and legs, I don't have fat. Like I'm stupid when I'm going
Yep, I store
in.
all of mine in my stomach,
Yeah,
mainly from
just
beer.
a freaking stomach. Yeah, and like I went only 3 days, and like already my t-shirts are not matching, like in my arms, and like I
They
cannot
don't
get
fit, yeah. You've
and
got the pump.
And I said to everybody, like, that's 3 days of trading. Imagine like 2 years. What the fuck are you doing? Like, eat something, guys. It's not just training. It's not just gym. You need to eat and sleep. Like, please do something.
Well, Jeebus had to fight a guy who loves to eat, huh?
Oh yeah, fuck that guy.
The
My-
big
my
dude from the
arms.
picture.
Yeah, I had to fight him
Yo.
again. I had to fight him again on the weekend and on Tuesday, I think it was. Oh my god. Fuck.
Listen, that's a good preparation for the simple features. When you come here and we have a party, and again, don't forget the pigs. We need to pull some modern pigs here. Like after that dude, like simple feature is going to be like a feather for you. Like you're going to dance around.
If Simple Futures is that big, like weighs 190 kilos, I'm just gonna run away. I'm gonna be like, fuck no, why would I fight that? I'll just jog away. He'll never catch me.
No. You're going to be too drunk, man. You need to drink schnapps. I already have some storing the new this year's schnapps. I didn't make for myself, but I know people that are really doing home stuff really good, and we need to drink that. So like you're going to be drunk, don't worry. Like
We will all be blind from it.
Blind.
not blind, but yeah.
That's not something I've tried to do. I've not.
Yeah,
not
if
tried to
it's a
fight
bad
while I was blind.
schnapps, you turn blind if it has the wrong kind of alcohol in it.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
we had there here in my country in the 90s. They were selling some shit and it had the methane in the alcohol and people start dying from that. And we were like,
Oops.
Jesus, it was too cheap and already smell in some kind of problem. Like it shouldn't be this cheap. Something is off there, but alcohol people already just bought it and start drinking heavily and like maybe the early experiment how to like have a smaller number of people in the world, you know.
Population control.
Population.
They did that some years ago. That was in the news in Turkey at tourist sites. They filled like really cheap homemade liquor into brand name liquor bottles in bars and sold it to the tourists, and they had total health issues from it.
Jeez. Come on, you, Vlado, do you have a new random line on Euro USD? Because I don't have any on a both account. Euro USD? Nope. Don't have
What
any
was that,
random
sorry?
lines. Do you have Euro
I
USD?
do.
You
Yeah,
have
I
random
do. I
lines.
stole your settings because they looked amazing. Let me have a look.
What the fuck? How do I don't have random lines?
Oh
in
no,
it?
I don't. They're
Okay,
gone.
that's fine. Oof, nice. So they work properly. People ask me why it doesn't trade again. Well, because it shouldn't. You see, it's a news and it can go 5% up and bot's waiting. Just leave it. Don't freaking touch it. It's trading better than Sasha and it's not possible. Like it's freaking doing 100%. God damn it. Ooh, took some profit
How
target.
much more do you want?
Ooh, but something is took profit target. Hello, USD. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Come again. Stupid bot. That's $5. Thank you. But
Ooh, yen
I,
pair scares me.
me too, but it works, so I am not touching it. Like whatever it decides, I just let it run. Let it go. Let it go.
RIP
Ah,
USD, everything moon. Buy everything except US
yeah,
dollar.
just making money. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is fine. It's going to react here, and then it's going to retrace and make me like $10. Okay, fine. I agree with that.
Good bot. I'll allow it.
Yep, why not? Man, as I said, when I touched the freaking Ethereum, I lost $100, $129, and on another account where I didn't touch it, it made $30. So don't touch the stupid bot. Leave it in charge. Whatever.
That's the thing, though. We've left it doing that like it was made specifically to do this job, right? And if we're fucking with it, then we're ruining what it
fucking
was
yourself.
made to do. Yeah. As you said before, like, how many times do we watch things and we're like, oh, this isn't gonna work? Then
Yep.
it works.
Yeah, but in my
If
head,
you're wrong,
I
okay.
know better. I made it.
You
You know,
know,
like
yeah.
I know,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know everything. And then I'm wrong. God damn it, this sucks. Like I'm feeling again like I'm first week in Swiss, and everybody's hitting my head because I suck in everything. Like I don't know shit. I thought I know, but everybody's no. That's not correct way. No, that's not the way you should do it. And now I feel the same. I have a bot, and it's trading some stuff, and I was like, no, you shouldn't do that. But then I'm again wrong, and I hate to be wrong. I hate to losing. Like you will see. You
It's
will
your
see.
3-month-old baby winning from you.
Yeah,
beating
okay,
you.
but like I have 10,000 hours. This bot have like month and something. You shouldn't do like this. And
times 10.
and you will see.
Got
Like
your.
I'm competitive guy. I
No
like
way. I
I
never would have worked that out.
yeah, but I cannot lose. Like I snap in second. Like I think if
To
I
a bot, though?
lose,
Really?
if I lose in chess, I can eat the king from. Like I'm going to eat the pieces
That'll
from
teach him.
yeah. Well, as I said, I cannot lose. Even my wife, like when I play with kids, like just let it win. No, I'm not going to lose. That doesn't matter.
Colossus rushing your poor boy. God.
No. He made a like turtle style, and I couldn't like get that. I had to get around it, and I just did how it calls
Was
the
it
thingy
chess?
that is no the
No,
StarCraft.
StarCraft.
And
okay.
Better than chess.
I flawed the colossal, and just he was watching from where I came. Like it's not possible, and he didn't saw me on the map because colossal had a bigger range. And after his whole army went there, I'm already out with colossal, and I go to main bang with the phoenixes that just die. Ah, every his
Poor
SUV.
kid.
And I was like, yeah, why the fuck you made a turtle? And he said, like, we were chatting on Discord when we were playing. He was like, yeah, last time I didn't do it, and you just went straight in with the DTs, and like I had to do something. And I was like, yeah, but this is even
He's got
easier.
detection everywhere and you
Yeah.
don't have anything in stealth.
Uh,
Poor kid.
I only did that because he started going and like poking with jetpacks guys. It was
Oh, yeah.
Marines and those, and I was like, now I'm mad. Like this is third time you're doing the same shit with the stupid like army, and I just went in and just kill everybody. Fuck.
Trying to harass. That's what he's supposed to do. He's doing the right thing, trying to harass you, to take you off the
Yeah,
game.
but when I
They didn't
snap,
realize that
it's
you're better than him.
yeah, they know. Like I told you, his friend like explaining they had tournament, and the winner went against me. Everybody was watching, and I was like, pick a race what you want me to play, whatever. That doesn't matter. Like it's going to be
Wow,
the same.
look at everything pump. It's insane. Did you see that ES or S&P 500 and
Mm,
dollar, Bitcoin?
ooh, Jesus. Ooh, nice.
Oh, Bitcoin? Did you say?
Yeah, also, yeah.
And listen to this, James. They asked him like how good he is. Like, can we play him? And he was like, you have us, then you have a God, and then you have like his father. Like that's insane. Like whatever I did, every time next time he did something else and just direct me. I didn't thought about that. And I was like, yeah, I'm scanning what you do because I'm reacting. Whatever you do, I'm going to do other thing. Like I don't care.
Outclassed kids.
Yeah, because they're not clicking the buttons. Just click, 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 click. Like I always have the same. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. I never have enough
Not enough
for me.
Vespine gas.
Yeah, same for DTs and everything. And I said
Build more
like
pylons.
you need to hear that sound, then you know you're doing something right. I made more money on something. I don't know what happened. Euro CHF. Oh, nice, thanks. So that's three same position. Four. See? One, two. Oh, lag. Please. Come on today. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Same freaking position. Nice. Why not? Thank you, bot. But bot. Okay. So technically, you can see in the comments, bot is only in the Aussie dollar with small drawdown on $4. This is such a start. So like, okay, I think I leave the trading for like a week or two. I need to rest a bit. Let's see
Why bother
another.
coming back? Just let the bot do it.
Yeah, I like trading and I want to stay in the game. I don't want to lose the edge. Like I have so much knowledge and I did so much time in all this to be at this level. Like I shouldn't stop now. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's true.
So and I really like trading, but not like trading 24/7. I would like to trade 2 to 5 hours a day and then I can just leave the bot and like I am already know okay he's going to take some position that I don't need to watch every hour a day. GBP Aussie dollar on the next fib. Dixie, hello Dixie, nice.
Can't
Okay.
see your screen if you're sharing.
Didn't look, but I'm trading view now. Ooh, this is like
Woofed.
really good news. Okay, guys, everything's fine, but we don't have money, and we will not have soon, and we are just going down and down.
Print more money. Everything's fine.
Stupid Nasdaq. That's insane. That's 12K. Unbelievable. Fucking insanity. Even Bitcoin pumped. It didn't. Nothing pumped it. It dropped. In my country, when we in our brain calculate the dollar value on our on our currency, it was around 100, so it was easy, aroundish, always 105, 98, 102, blah blah this, and it's around 100. Now it's 91, and I was like, God damn it! And I'm in USDT first time in my life, and not in euro, and I was like, oh, you stupid motherfucker! Like you
Yeah,
fucked
the
us.
same thing. When the Australian dollar was like 60 something cents, 60 something US cents, like put money into a US dollar account going, yeah, US dollar
I
stronger than
remember
Aussie dollar.
that. I remember
Yep,
that.
yep. And yeah, that didn't turn out so well. Or are we 70, 72, 73 now or something? Yeah, 72.
Yeah. I remember that when you did. Ooh, even Brian Watts Scalper took the position on GBP. Hello, Brian Watts. Oh, it's on another account. I have 6, so I cannot split everything on the live. It's not possible. But I think I'm going to maybe to end of year on 100K on this random bot account. It makes sense, maybe.
Sounds like a good idea.
Oh, well, it really works. And the more money I have, I know it's going to be better.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely lends itself to having more money in an account, right? Because with obviously the calculations that most of us are doing at the moment, when we look at things like $300 or $400 drawdown for like $3,000 worth of profit or something like that, that seems amazing. And if you scale the lots just a little bit, it becomes even better.
Yep.
So yeah,
So you're
even
basically
with
saying you can't say no to free money.
yes, that's correct. I will take free money. Thank you.
Jeeves, you deserve it.
Mm.
I told you 100 times. So, Razer, everybody, you have your version and you're early in it and you didn't pay 100k for it, and in 2 months, official price. I'm not going to sell too much, people thinking that I need it. I think on 100k, maybe 2 more bots and that's it. I don't need more. And like people, oh, you're going to sell. Remember, Razer, what I did with institutional level? I just stopped the sale and just killed all the license. I'm going to do
Yeah.
the same with the random bot. Like when I decided it's enough, that's it. Like we're going to have that. Okay, maybe a few more people, but this is really one of the kind in a retail trader. I don't know. Like there's another bot on 100%. So
Sure. Yeah. I hope we'll all have a lot of fun with it and enjoy it and make some money, right?
I'm already making money on live account, so
I know. Yeah.
like I cannot complain. Central bank formally agreed to a policy of average inflation targeting. That means if you allow inflation to run moderately above the Fed 2% goal for some time. That's not good for dollar again. What the fuck? Well, whatever. They know what.
Did it go to one of your FIPS on the last 100?
NAS 100. Yep, but
Yeah.
this pump even went higher, and the freaking next fib is that's so far away. Even I remember those fibs on the 11500. I was like, no, there's no chance to go to 12k.
Yeah.
And like few days later, plop 12k. Fuck, like that's insanity. And the random lines, you remember, I'm using the same random lines on the NAS 100 even before the first slide. And you can see there's still a reaction on the freaking
Yeah, still
every
working.
random line. Jesus Christ. Shouldn't be working, but
Yeah.
hey.
I have the same on Link. Somehow I pulled it from somewhere and it's perfect. And every time, okay.
When
leave
you
it.
find it like that, don't touch anything.
Don't touch it. Yeah.
On the bot, it's a bit different because I spoke with my friend from Swiss and we made it to change the settings, because with those settings I'm going to show you, sometimes it's going to change short with the long. Let me find when it happened. It was here maybe. Let me try to find it. It switched position. It just stopped with the random lines, and after it pumps, then it changed, and it doesn't short like, imagine like this. It's short, and it stopped with the random lines. And price
Yeah,
pump,
you
it
showed
didn't
it once before. Yeah.
yeah, and
I believe it was on ETH.
yeah,
You
it's
showed it on ETH.
possible. Need another account. 95. Yep. So Ethereum. Look, Ethereum now doesn't have a random line. So if here was short, after the pump, now when it turns it on, it's going to be long here. It's a really good
Yeah.
idea. So, and my white line, stupid white line, perfectly rejecting the price. So this was really important for Ethereum, because if it went down, the trend will become down, the general trend. Now it's
Yeah.
still holding this. This was most important level. and that's it.
And why did it not trade the, what is it, 384.66 line?
Because it's too wide from two fib projection. Too wide from 1 to second projection. It's like 6+%. So it makes sense.
No, but yeah, but I mean the pink line where the price bounced off. It could have taken 10 trades there on ETH.
Let me see again. Let's see.
That's just because
Here,
of your settings.
yeah, because of settings. Look how much is to the second fib. That's 5.3%. That's too much. If price goes in one direction and you're going to readd every 5%, something is off there. Okay, this time like it would make money, but if trend starts and you're going to only readd on 5%, that's really bad. You're going to have a big drawdown. It shouldn't do that, and that's the reason I made it like that. This and that. Ooh, look, land 100. Hello, random line. Amazing. It works like 5 months later. Aussie dollar, I don't know, maybe 3 months. Random lines still works. GBP went through all the random lines. I should draw again. And look the reaction. The stupid random lines don't work. You see, short, long,
Those are still the
long.
ones you pulled manually then. Like,
Yeah, this is like I don't know, 4 months ago, 3 months ago. You can see how like when it was, and like we are now all the way here. So I need to, but I have now automatically on MT5, so like I don't lose too much time looking on the help me guys on the trading view. Woo! Brian Watt scalper made 7.2 bucks on the GBP Aussie dollar now. Thank you. Nobody has BVS anymore, yeah?
I have it, but I'm
Nobody's
not
using
running it.
Yeah, it's already like today it's 7.2 bucks. That's free money again. Didn't work for that. 7 there, 4
But I
here,
like those
30.
settings the best, yeah. Of the Brian Watt scalper, I like the GBP odd the best, yeah.
Yeah, that's really good profit. What a reaction, Jesus Christ. Oof. Thank you, bot. And that's like I like to trade, but I don't have why to stay like 20 hours again to trade. This shit
You
trades
can't
better
keep
than
eyes
me.
on every single chart as well, right?
Yep, agree on that.
Especially with BWS, it'll jump into a position that you're likely to miss because you're not watching the chart.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. So I don't know now what to do.
Just have a rest.
No.
Go to the beach.
About the bots, because Brian Watt scalper is working properly, and it's not 100%. I agree, but as I said, $7 now, it's really decent. Didn't risk too much. I like it. So I need to determine to split accounts again, and the biggest is going to be on the random bot, obviously. But need to figure out the numbers. Now everything is dumping against the dollar. Fucking happening.
Standard.
Yeah, reaction. Yeah, look on the color thingy. Perfect reaction. If you long in this. Oof. On the forex, that's
A lot of
0.4%.
money.
Jeez. I like it. Like it. It's hot. Thank you, bot. Look, the now it's 100. You see what you're looking at. Yep, trading view. From the projection to the projection to the 21 to the amazing. Who would say that like technical analysis work and stupid randomized?
Seen it happen so many times now, it's ridiculous.
Do you remember the sentence? Oh, so you're drawing the random lines and you hope it's going to work. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
100%.
Yeah.
Go to church every day and pray and hope and yeah.
I still don't have missed trade on the NAS 100. That's insanity. Like when I take the trade, I missed 2 times. It front run my front run. But other than that, this I missed this trade. I took this one, got out like very quickly, but on the NAS 100 it's decent profit already. On this one, it front run my front run. So like I was like, God damn it, motherfucker! Really, I was really angry because I had like 0.5 lots, and I was like, oof, I want to target 21, and I missed the trade. So stupid. Really bad
That's
on my
really
part.
impressive. Did you do some Bitcoin trading lately or not that much?
To be honest, looking only now on the trying to catch one position, long position Bitcoin on the derivative, and I'm going
Yeah.
only to play the options against that. No other kind of trading for me because I'm all in the freaking bot now. And
Yeah.
better I do it, well, people will be.
Concentrate on one thing.
It's almost perfect for everything, and better to do that one thing perfectly and like really retire from everything and just trade for fun than need to, I don't know, think about. I really don't want to screw this up. This is so close to be even execution to be perfectly working, and don't want to fuck things now. This is really dropping. Hello, Ozzy. What happening with the random bot? Yep, the random bot. Motherfucker! Motherfucker, let me show you. Motherfucker. Same thing from today. It went to random line, but it never went, if it... You remember I predicted it's going to kiss this and then it's going to dump and we will make money? Freaking didn't touch it. Motherfucker, that would be like $5. Stupid price action. And now it's going to close in profit. Stupid. Stupid. Hey, something is finally happening. Like sitting here whole morning, like maybe 2-3 positions. But now finally.
New York Open.
Yeah, but yesterday wasn't too crazy. Day before. Like there was few days nothing too shabby. Dear diary. Nothing too shabby. And I'm now trying to say the same as Brian saying, like, don't do the diary. Like, you don't have time for that. Like, imagine like 6 accounts.
Dear diary, today the bot traded for me. It was good.
Yeah,
Full stop.
it took 200 trades.
Yeah, or dear bot, I was in the grocery store and I checked my phone and my bot just made $50 more, so I took the expensive whiskey.
Great. Hey, it's not my bot anymore, it's yours. Everybody has its own, so fuck. Stupid bot. And I'm thinking what to do with the Mr. I know the best. You know me, I'm not bad
Me
guy.
last night.
Yeah, he did.
I have to get back to him. Like he explained like what, lot of
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
changed there, still being stuck.
Well, I'm thinking what to do. I really want to help him. He deserved it. Like he's also from the beginning like 40, even on the BitMax spot. But I think somehow he will make it lose, and I'm going to lose my head around that. Like I'm making this perfectly without losing, and I think he has the power to make it lose. Like
Has
I
the
don't.
ability.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Like I want to
Yeah,
help him, but not. I don't know what to
you
do.
would make it secure, like locking some parameters which can't be changed.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it can only trade one pair, and I'm giving one license on that settings. He cannot change any settings on that. Like that's the only way for him to be able to make money without fucking something. But I want 20% today. If it
Yeah.
doesn't make, it doesn't make. Like wait, it's going to have a days when it has 2%. It's going to have day when it makes half of percent. Fuck it, it's working like that. But it's not losing money. Jesus Christ, like be happy. Like when the last time you had like 300 winning trades in a row? Like whatever. As I said, I want to help, but not sure how I can manage that. Woo! Bot is crazy, motherfucker. Woo! GVP again. Brian, what scalper? Took shorts, it took profit when it dumped, and now it's long from the bottom. Like, what the fuck is happening? Oh, yeah, jeez.
Brian bot is pretty good.
Yep, it's decent. Can be better, but fuck. We did it as we should, but as I said, it's still not 100%. So, like, I'm going to use it, but I just need to figure out how much money I am willing to leave on that account. That's my only
Yeah.
concern.
Mhm. Well, at least let it run, just to enjoy the bot and trades like this, and that's what it's for. And at some point, if you think like, why do I have it running, and then you can just only use the random bot.
Well, the number is going to work, and as I said, it's going to have a biggest account. But I'm looking on the how to split money, because even Brian Watt should work.
Open again then, or
What? Sorry.
the gym, is it open again?
Yep. And it's a different. It's same gym where I was, but it's a bigger now, and like it's only 5 of us in total in the big gym, and it's not a problem. Like there's a distance between us, so I don't have problems.
Mm-hmm.
Is there still riots over there? Or did that die down?
Sorry, I'm reading your
But
message.
is
Sorry.
there... Yeah, no problems. Is there riots over there still, or did that die
No,
down?
no, no. That finished some time ago.
Oh, good.
So
Sasha drove over there and said, "Hey, stop it," and then they stopped.
no.
It's more like a sketch in a cartoon, right?
Jeeves, can you send me a screenshot of that, what happened, and look on the experts?
Yeah.
Without
export.
experts, I cannot do shit. Okay,
I'll export the log for you.
I don't have idea. Like it can be 100 stuff or, but a GBP Aussie dollar. I don't have same settings as you, so I have random lines, but my are too wide. I lost the connection with 25 again. So loud. So between my two random lines, it's 1.6%. That's for Forex pair. That's too much, and I don't want it trade when it's too wide. It's not the same settings as yours so far.
Yeah, mine's like 0.3%, so mine's definitely in scalp mode.
No, I want it to be in scalp mode. So mine is 460 for minimal difference, and max is 1400. But now on those settings I have it, it's too wide. It's like
Yeah, fibs are too far apart.
yeah, and I don't want to trade there. For me, it doesn't make sense. That's icy markets. Okay, I lost some connection. Oh, it's so loud, motherfucker.
I hate that. I usually leave my volume up. So
Yeah.
if I'm doing something in the kitchen, I can hear when it's taking trades or something like that. And every now and then I'll forget to mute it before I go to bed. And at like 3 in the morning or something, you'll hear boom. I'm like, oh god.
Stop
what
it.
have I done?
Stop it.
I'm sure your wife is happy about that.
Yeah.
She's not happy. Not happy.
Aussie dollar made money, as I predicted, but fucking didn't react a bit more. If it added here, this would be crazy trade. This would be awesome. Motherfucker. Well, it is how it is. Doesn't make sense to grind about too many.
Yeah, the bot doesn't have the emotions.
It's not a bot. Price action should go like few pips more, points higher, and then it would activate more and made more money. But doesn't matter. It is how it is. I just want more money. it's so clear. Nothing crazy there. So here and there and nice. Euro GBP, nice. Euro USD still doesn't have. Yes, you have. Sorry guys, I'm just downloading some stuff and writing this and
Can you hear my cat?
Yeah.
There was some sound, yeah.
I was trying to send you the message you sent me, Jivas. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm sending the guys 1 second, and then I stopped copying your message to you, and I was like, no,
Thanks,
that's
man.
yeah. Well, it's their job, and the only way for this to work properly, everybody has what to do. And it's going to be better if everybody sticks on what they're the best. If I look too much on the stuff, they're going to see much faster than me. I mean, I will find it, but then I lose focus on testing and other stuff.
I always make the joke, and then I say you have to do what you do best, and that's why I do nothing. So
Nice.
good.
Nice.
But it's my father's fault because he always said you were born stupid and you never learned anything. And I was like,
Oof.
okay.
Dad,
Oof.
please.
I hope he was joking, but I'm not sure.
Might say the best, but I did more in 1 year than what he did in his life. So
Yeah.
on whatever I did, I was going on the breakdance competition. He said, "Don't get your hopes so much," and I was first on the competition, and I came back with a medal and a diploma, and I was like, "Yeah, I should go to World Championship because I'm the best in the country." And he was like, "I don't have money for you to go, blah blah." I found the money. I started the school, so. Don't listen to naysayers, just do, and it's going to be good.
I know. I'm just a little bit of a nihilist, or how do you say that? Nihilist or a nihilist? And lazy.
God, I love this bot.
Stupid bot. Settings. Thanks for settings.
Welcome.
Yeah. The only problem is they're working short. So
No biggie.
it is because I need to see what happened. It shouldn't do that. Like.
Ironically, if I'd left it, it would have made a lot more money. But I went.
That doesn't
That's
matter.
not what it's supposed
Can
to
you
be.
can you
Closed.
look? Can you look the orders before that or something? Like on the
Yeah,
history.
it's spammed out. Yeah.
In history, but then you go to orders and deal. But you need the orders to see is it the
Yep,
first
I'm
one
with you.
or it re-added few times.
Sure.
Because in my head, I really don't know what to think. That's new. That's first time I sing about that. Something like that. Sorry. It's really annoying.
That's why we test though.
No, it's really annoying to be honest. Oh, stupid bot. I should never have left you in charge.
Never have left you in charge, but I always
Yeah,
should.
on the
You
7,
actually
yeah, on
invested
the
me.
7, if you have enough money, if you even started like that, you should make good money there. but don't.
It
It
started
shouldn't.
on. It looks like it started on 1 and then jumped to 6 after that.
Oh, yeah, it can do that, but I need to remember the reason. If he lost,
Oh,
it can do that in one specific reason, but the guys will see that and then
is that what you wanted?
yep, that's okay. So it's jumped to the 6, but I need. But why the fuck it was market? And the first was market. That's limit orders. See? Your account netting for hedging.
Netting.
Okay, just checking.
Wait, was that me closing? That could have been me closing. Hold on.
Yeah, because it should be limit order.
Cancel, cancel, cancel. What was the order number that it did it on? Where are you? What was the timestamp? I sent you the timestamp. 2338. Oh god, it's in broker time. You assholes.
Yeah, time is not matching. I also have same problem. So don't bug yourself with that. What the fuck? Aussie dollar 1 minute looks like spaghetti on the Brian Watt scalper.
I know. So that was me manually closing it that you saw.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm reading.
Yeah.
The first thing it's all the limit orders, so that's like.
Yeah. 1, 2, 4 did it properly. But the question is, why did it scale in so quick? I guess.
Yep. It can do stuff like that, but if it's in out, so if it's re-adding, then if it's taking profit targets, then it can go. But if it was first open, then jump to the 6, that's bad. But if again, if it was open position, re-add, take some profit, re-add, take some profit, then it can go straight to 6. That makes sense because I want to scale higher, but it shouldn't be on the 0.01. So we will still check it. I didn't have that problem, motherfucker. That's really. And you can always, and you should always have turned off your left text in your left, so it's going to tell you what it is.
The comments.
No, in the debug.
Boom.
In the debug.
Oh, okay. Yep, I'm with you.
So it started with 1, then went out, then it started with 2, then 4. Okay. But it's 19, 20, and 25. Oh, that's wrong. Okay. So it wasn't 1, it was 3. So there was the mistake. So it wasn't. I thought maybe it was just 1, 0.7 or 0.6.
No,
But
it looks like
it
0.1, 0.2,
Yeah.
0.4.
So technically that was correct, but not on the correct places. That's the problem. Okay.
Scaled in all on the same.
Okay.
price.
Now I know what to look for. That's different. Now, okay. Now seeing it shouldn't be hard. But first time I think that's really annoying. Annoying. Stupid $dollar again took a profit target. What the fuck?
How dare it?
Nice Aussie. Aussie. Maybe I should put a bigger numbers on Aussie dollar. It has a many position and everything is fine, but it's like $1 to trade. Aussie dollar is on the hook today. Like on 1 minute, Brian Watt is just in, out, in. What the fuck?
How many minutes do you have the Brian Watt then on the GBP odd?
On GBP odd, I don't have Brian Watt anymore because I have a random bot on 2 accounts. I have Brian Watt on the Aussie dollar 1 minute. I have on the S&P 500 and I have GBP USD. That's where I have it, and it's really good on those pairs, so less risk. Pam 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 pam.
Oh, and because the random bot on the Aussie dollar did not get to the target, now it's shorting it instead of longing. Otherwise, it would have flipped, huh?
Sorry.
If it would have reached the random line.
Second random line, yeah, this would be a long.
When it came down, then it would make a long, but now it didn't get there, so now it's shorting there again.
So that was the reason it didn't went up. Now you can see, because we have the same. Yeah, we have the same formula as the bigger bots. So they didn't flip the trend. It's still short. Yeah. It was on the news, but it didn't reach it, and it stayed the trend down for now. It's going to maybe stay the same, like here, few times, then here, then down, and they take a long position. That's fine. Why not? I will take that.
But does it mean that in this case you were unlucky, or can you check other pairs and that happen the same? Because then maybe then we are off, like a little bit off.
GBP didn't trade on these settings. That was really good. But because of settings, not me, everything is turned on. So GBP Aussie dollar too wide for the fee projection. This is a price action is in the middle. Have to be here to turn on the random lines, or here. So in the middle is not going to turn the random lines. It's really in the middle. It need to see the direction. USD JPY. Well, short was from here. Took profit, short. We will see. It's a wider profit target here, but it works. And look, it's for forex, it's really wide. It's 0.50%. Euro GBP stayed in the same range, still longing that. So it had short here, and now it's longing and make money. Nice. Euro USD, I'm out. They had a long here today and took Vlado had and the other guy, they had the long, took profit. Maybe now they're again in the long, or if they have my settings, they're not in the position. I don't see lines for now. That's look on this, like down or up. It's really good to wait for something like this, because when you have something like this, you're just printing money without stress. No, everything's fine. Nothing too crazy. Yep, S&P too wide from two. Yep, too wide from two random lines.
Yeah.
I should test a bit more S&P 500 here on Evolve. Maybe I can do something better, but need to determine. Didn't have too much time. I was just like going top from my head and like two tests, and I was satisfied with the results. And I was like, yeah, this is fine. Hey, $22 for a half of day. That's enough for this account. And after it's going to have a bigger position, it's going to make more money. So this is just
Yeah, I saw the XTZ 100 short, or what was it? Open position.
yeah, that's crypto.
Yeah.
That's
But it's also the bot, or did you do that?
no, you can see in the comments when it's bought. See?
Oh, the random. Okay, yeah.
So this is bought, and this is such a stupidity.
And the other ones are you losing?
Yeah.
I'm kidding, but
Yeah, I don't have where to buy that, and I'm going to have my average better, and I'm going to like invest $1,000 in that. There's no problem. I want to invest in that crypto. That's different, and I don't have where to buy it. Don't want to make a Binance account because they fucked me over like 2 years ago, and I don't want to do that anymore. So crazy price action. Brian, what scalper didn't took many positions for 2 weeks? Today is just getting in, out, in. Crazy stuff happening.
It should overall again pick up the trading action. I read somewhere that all such really big traders, they mostly take off in August, like at least in the US. So people return to do their trading jobs and such. Also, school starts here for most states in September. So
Yeah,
vacation
here
time
also.
is over.
Yeah. 1st September school start. Maybe not first if it's Sunday, but
so it should be like full power till before Christmas, again with price action trading, and then the holiday break, and then again in January.
that's what I also wanted to ask, Sasha. What do you think about like January, first week or first 2 weeks, and then the week between Christmas and New Year's Eve? Do you want to turn the bot off, or you want to just let it run? Or
this bot, no, not going to turn it off at all, because as I said, we tested 3 years without stopping the bot, and it made money. So we already have idea how it's going to work without even turning the bot off. Gaps and stuff like that, it doesn't care. So no need for turning off. Maybe only do smaller lots, maybe, but that's it. No need for turning off. And that's like, really don't see any reason for turning the bot off. I'm really satisfied. Going to finish for today. Going to enjoy a bit. Thanks guys for being here. And I already been in gym and
you were already?
Yeah, from after the lunch. Because I need to be here for market open, and I'm going to test again till midnight my time. So like next 8 hours I'm going to test. to test settings to find something good, and that's it. Thanks for being here, guys, and talk to you all soon. Wish you great
Yes,
Hey, guys.
profit.
All right, nice talking to you. Take care.
bye.